My name is Laura Jedone. I'm the Legal Operations and Administration Director for the Law Department. We have practical law as well as Westlaw. We implemented Legal Tracker in 2009. We cut down maybe the time spent on administrative tasks for sure by nearly 30%, if not more. Our billing guidelines are being adhered to more consistently. So I would say it was a partnership right from the very beginning with us and Legal Tracker, which really separated you from the competition. It's become a go-to resource for them for up-to-date legal content and precedents. It really was very practical to go to these resources and pull that information without necessarily having to go to outside counsel to do that research for us. Legal Tracker enables us to make data-driven outcomes or decisions. We streamline our operations by utilizing technology, and we better manage the risks. I think overall this has improved our efficiency and positioned us to really be strategic partners for the business. These tools have transformed the way that the legal department operates here. We now can deliver measurable results to our outside counsel. We can run spend reports in a moment's notice. And in terms of cost savings, efficiency, I think we've improved in all of those aspects.
Our client success manager, Ethan, has been fantastic in the last several years that he's been with us. I think there is a long history of productive collaboration between Delta and Thomson Reuters when it comes to being able to use the technologies you offer to push forward on our organizational and departmental goals.